In no mood to find another I might not contain no mamaさ見つけに行くだけよ Right now baby I don't care about the other summer 지금 내가 필요한 건 너만한 날 I wanna hear right now baby I don't
Sabi ni shower gag.
Sipa ako sa laro nila.
Kaya meron ako yung implied reason.
Di nga kami magsisipa.
Yung amin, di ba size
Alam mo
up?
nga ano yung name mo.
Paano?
Sabi nga ba sa tingin mo yun? Sabi ko yung akin sa akin. Nawa na rin ba ako? Pwede rin. Ito yung akin.
Rin daw.
Wala rin yung rules doon. Kapag naabot to, walang rules. Basta hindi sila lalagpas sa line. Yun lang yan. Di ba walang ano? Walang
So, I'm preparing the breakfast right now, and it's our PE day today. So, I need to wear something our PE uniform, and we're gonna play in our PE session later. Since we'll be playing later, like it's our second session, so probably that's like 10 a.m. to 11 or 12. I'm gonna charge my electric fan. Kasi mainit mamaya. Put my hair in a bun so that hindi ako maiinitan later kapag maglaro na kami sa grounds. And I'm gonna eat my breakfast first.
Yun, sige, maging camera. Bye-bye.
Dapat kailangan mo, dapat nandito sa baba yung like naka-face. Tapos kailangan mo naman yung
si Bait.
Asan yung E?
Anong nangyari?
Hi Hi, vlog!
Hi, vlog!
Welcome to my guys.
What's up,
Nung ulam.
From Prime Plate.
Doon yan, prime plate. Saan? Hi guys.
Hello.
Ito lang ba? Ito lang ba yung type ko?
I just finished showering and I'm gonna eat my dinner right now. We'll be studying or reading tonight for our upcoming college entrance exams, and I'm gonna do my skincare first before we study. So this January I actually have the college entrance examinations to take, which is really stressful, I guess, given yung schedule ko kasi magsasabay siya sa pasok ko. I mean, yeah. Maybe it will be like really challenging to find time for everything. Like, I have I have an exam on 17, 18, then 25. And actually, I'm really eyeing to pass STEP kasi my course is like nandun. So, I really wanna pass STEP. And sana makapasa ako. So, my skincare is done and we're gonna study mathematics today. Hindi ko na talaga nasundan yung schedule ko kasi parang I've been taking my time na mag-rest. Pero, I'm gonna take it back. I'm gonna grind, guys.